Hello everyone, welcome to another devlog for the Tale of LUMI. In this video I'll share more about the enemies in my game, more specifically about those guys. Let's get into it. So this is the very first concepts for enemy, and initially I thought they looked very fun. We used them in our initial prototypes. However, as the game expanded, now we have a more set world and narrative. So we had to upgrade the enemies, and there were a lot of iterations. We also thought of the enemies being darker colored to differentiate from the player. However, we ended up with more stylized enemies to give more character. The other ones looked a little too generic in my opinion. So then I introduced Hazrom and Kazrom. They are the first enemies to be somewhat completed, although we did update the design of the old ghosts as well. Speaking of ghosts, I made this super cool tentacle effect using the line renderer in Unity. If that's something you guys would like to learn how to do, please let me know in the comments and then I'll share that with you. Here's how Hazrom works. This enemy is standing still, and once Atlas gets closer to him, then it gets activated. Once activated, if Atlas is within a certain range, Hazrom then charges up the attack, and then it smashes down, causing damage and knocking Atlas back. And I like this as well because I can place those enemies in the level and they become part of the level design, like this section here. Similar to Hazrom, Kazrom is activated when Atlas is within a certain range, but instead of charging up and smashing down, Kazrom launches his own hand towards the player, causing damage and knocking Atlas back. Guys, can I just say I'm enjoying way too much making this game. Anyways, as always, thank you so much for watching and take care.